Hey guys, Tony here. How you doing? I did have somebody ask me about Boeing. Just looking at the chart right now and looking at the momentum, looking at the weekly, looking at the monthly, I can easily guess without really doing too much TA that we're actually going to be going to the downside. I wouldn't be surprised if Boeing touches like what 203 maybe in the next week or two. I would definitely be comfortable at buying puts here, especially because we're still under that 221.69 resistance, right? So on the weekly, you guys can see that we have been trying to break bullish to the upside on the weekly basis ever since what, May? And all Boeing's really been doing is just been trading down consistently and following the trend on the lower end, right? The monthly, what does the monthly look like? Yeah, the monthly is still bearish. The monthly is still bearish. It's still respecting the trend line from months ago, all the way from what? From March of 2019. So it's still respecting the trend ever since March of 2019. The daily looks like it's about to close on the bear side. I do expect Boeing to close a bearish day, possibly tomorrow or Friday. After the long weekend, I would not be surprised if you see Boeing crash to like 203, possibly lower than that, right? So last time we actually had a crash similar to this, or where I was getting similar signals from what's going on right now, is back here on the week of July 13th, where we actually went down about $29 in 6 days. So from these highs where we are right now, from this 221 resistance, 6 days out, where are we at? 12 days, 8, whatever, 6 days out, $29. Look at that. $29 would perfectly put you at the previous support of 192 in about 6 days or so. As soon as that, you know what? I'm gonna be buying puts on Boeing. As soon as we have a bear trigger on Boeing, I think you're gonna see a drop similar to what happened before. I think my most bearish case would be 192. I think minimum we see Boeing at $203 within 2 weeks. I think there's like a 95% chance that it's probably gonna drop to these lows. I don't think it's gonna break 221 resistance. Nothing in the chart looks bullish to me. I would 100% be buying puts on Boeing for a minimum 2 weeks out. Actually, I would say a month out just to be on the safer side, right? But I do think that Boeing is gonna hit $203 within the next month. Possibly my worst bear case is going all the way back down to 192 and replicating what happened back here from July 2021, so a couple months back, and replicating that here. So I'm 100% bearish on Boeing, and I think it's going down to minimum, I think 203. My biggest bear case would be 192. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.